If you like videos where the person doesn't know what the hell they're doing and they're just trying to figure it out, and you want to follow along and watch, you're probably going to like this video. So get you some popcorn, get you a beer or whatever, and put the thing on the TV. I don't even know what you call it, but, you know, screenplay, whatever. Because, I mean, who wants to stare at a little phone for the next 20 minutes? Now that I got all the paint done on the outside of the bus, and that came out awful. I hate it. It looks like a big block of Velveeta cheese, and it didn't cover too great. So, but it's going to keep the rain off of it, and that's all I'm trying to do for now. Right now I'm going to start boxing these fender wells out so I can start doing my cabinets and all that happy stuff. And I think this little cavity right here I'm going to make like a little door, and I can store like cleaning supplies or toilet paper or something under there. All right, so first things first, I got to get my layout on the floor, and I've got a weird little angle over here I got to deal with. All right, that fits good. All right, so that looks pretty darn good. Got a nice square corner, and got that matched up pretty decently. Not bad for doing some eyeballing. I'm gonna take a couple of these and I'm gonna put them into this. I don't want to put too many screws in the floor, but it has to be done. I should probably check underneath first, huh? That's nice and tight. Whew, smells like burnt rubber in here. I imagine that's the matting. All right, first board's in. I feel better about this already. All right, got to get the other side in now. Bitch. Okay, that one just doesn't want to go in for some reason. That one went in. There we go. I set this across the top of the fender well, and I'm coming up with right at like 11 and an eighth. So I'm going to make it exactly like, I don't know, 11 and a half. I'm going to get these cut and start putting it together. Gotta use that fucking square. If you drill in straight first and then you cock it, it's going to hold better and it's less likely to split the board. So if I did 16 on center, which would just be one on the end and one in the middle, that would be plenty for what I'm doing. When you're doing something like this and how much space you got to save. That's why I use 2x3s instead of 2x4s, because it literally, I think when I did the math, it translated to an extra 10 square feet that I'd be saving by using 2x3s.
Oh, it's more space.
So
We
much,
do aerobics in here.
so many activities.
I think side storage might be the way, guys. Yeah, this is a pain in the butt trying to get it all cut in around here. So, but we're getting there using this little 1/4-inch Luan board. But this is gonna be where the throne is, guys.
Oh, you taking a video?
A little bit.
Okay.
Hi, guys. I'm getting there. Alright, so now we're at a standstill on the building of the fender well cabinets and bathroom, and the reason why is because I got to do some spray foam to be able to close those walls up, and I also have to do a little bit of electrical, so I think that's going to be for next week's video, but I'll show you what I got done so far. This is going to be the bathroom vanity for the tub area, and then you got to see I roughed in a lot of the electrical. Still mad that I lost like half of the footage, but you know, that's what happens when you're working and you don't check your camera and make sure it's actually still on. So, but got a little bit of the electrical roughed in, nothing special yet, and I will be doing a video on the full electrical install on this bus. I just needed to get this light ran and just run a little bit of a wire right there. So I definitely need to get the spray foam in so I can close these walls up. I've been playing with this a little bit, and these are floating shelves, and these are made, I'm gonna put the link, but I got these off Amazon. It's like a 2-pack for $100. So these are American made. It's Walnut Woodworks, that's what it is. So, and they're really freaking strong. I just put them up there just to see how they're gonna work, and they look like they're gonna do exactly what I need them to, and it's inspired me to put more on that side.